The Wi-Fi module here in the Teslander seems to be a little bit clumsy. It's not very strong. I tried last night to connect it to several hotspots here at home, but it doesn't pick anything up in the carport there anymore, while the other devices I had, my mobile phone and tablet, were showing all the SSIDs, all the Wi-Fi names I have here on my property. And even going closer to the house now here is not really... Let's see if we drive down there. Because the access point is right behind this wall there, near the house. So this is the closest I can get. Wi-Fi is off because we are not in park. Hang on. Now it picks it up, but see, only with 1 bar or 2 bars or so, and still not all of them. And then when you go into the module here, it doesn't show you any Wi-Fi's you are connected to. So this all seems to be very, I don't know, not working very well. It's usually the Tesla one I'm connected to. Confirm. See, 1 bar only. See, well, the mobile phone has full reception for Wi-Fi. This one here shows me now I'm connected to Tesla. And there's the second one, but all the other ones are not showing up. That is weird. Seems to be very clumsy, and if I go in the Wi-Fi settings now, you can see the Tesla one, but if I connect it to a second access point, it won't show up as a second access point. There's only 1 or none showing up in here. This whole module is not... It's a bit fiddly to set up this Wi-Fi. This needs further work. Okay, let's see if we can trigger this Monty Python Easter egg here. So apparently you have to rename your car as one of the characters from Monty Python. I've seen Patsy seems to work. Let's see if this works. Yep, here it comes. So, and now if you go into your entertainment, you will have the Monty Python tile here, which gives you a link collection of YouTube videos about Monty Python. Apparently Elon Musk is a big Monty Python fan, so here we go. That was the Monty Python Easter egg, which came with one of the updates recently. I don't, that's this English humor. Some of them I don't get. Some of this stuff is quite funny, but most of it I don't get. It's a cultural thing, but this link will only stay there until you rename your car back to your original name. So it's gone again. Because we are back to the Teslander. This Toyota Hilux next to us is ridiculous high. Look where the door handle is. This is roof level of the Teslander. This is basically where the handles are. It's insane. Look how high this shit is. And how long and how high, and what a monster. It uses probably 100 times more energy than the Teslander. I wonder why I have only 1 Sentry event recorded here. This monster is on this side and my work colleague on this side here, so we should have at least 2. 1, 2, right? I've got only 1 Sentry event recorded. I had some issues before with the USB situation. I'll show you underneath here in my... What is this shit in here? This is my USB storage in here where I records dashcam and Sentry. But I had a warning message on the screen saying the USB is not fast enough to get this all done, and dashcam was turned off. Usually take out the USB and put it back in and it works. Because after the last update they're recording 4 cameras now instead of 3 before. They had only 3 cameras before, now they have got 4. Yeah, they've got 4 cameras now. So I believe they need a bit more speed now. And I'm not sure if, hang on, to actually take this one out you have to hold the dashboard icon until this little circle. You couldn't see it. It was too fast for you. It was too fast for the camera. There's a little, right? There we go. See, the red dot has disappeared. Now you can take it out. See, and I think this USB to SD card adapter is not fast enough. I'm getting write speeds from about 5 to 6 megabyte on the computer with this thing, but the SD card is a U3, so this should be like 30 megabyte easily. Right, easy. But it isn't, and I think it's this cheap adapter. So the question is, if I get USB 3 adapter, which exists for about $4 or $5 on eBay, they've got a blue USB port. Are they faster? Are they faster? I don't know. I don't want to spend the money without confirmation before. Well, some people plug in like 500 terabyte hard drives in there, which is totally waste of space and storage and money. I like these $16 original Samsung Evo 10 class 10 U3 SD card, 64 gig. Gives you 1 hour of recording on the dashboard, plus about 50 Sentry events on one card. 50. And I've got 2 of them, so I should be totally fine. It's the cheap option again. Now we've got this adapter here. We've got this little adapter, which is a USB-C on one side and an SD slot on the other side. So how this works is, you unlock your phone, you plug in this SD card into the adapter, of course. It's always the other way around, is it? And then it's again the other way around. Okay, yeah, it's all in. And then you plug this one into your phone, and then it pops up with the Tesla Cam viewer. Select USB or select folder, view events. I need to select the USB, allow, yeah, and then view events. See, and this is the one from today, Sentry. Recent, this is the dash cam. Okay, let's have a look then. How this looks like from this morning. So all 4 cameras, front, back, left and right, the other way around. So we go to the second last one here, because this is where the magic happens. And probably this one here, and then we can just drag fast forward until we see the car coming. There we go. There's the car coming. Yeah, bang. And the truck is not here. This monster is not here yet. And then we've got the other event here. Oh, there's someone walking behind car, and then someone is getting out. I'm getting in trouble again. I cannot show you the face of this person, of course. And then that's it. That's the only entry event we have recorded. So I don't know. This truck has not triggered anything, or I believe the USB has bailed again because it was too slow and the recording did not occur. Because there's no other recording. So if this car would have dented me now, I would have no evidence at all, which is totally up. So the question is, if I get USB 3 adapters, are they fast enough? Are they faster than 5-6 megabyte per second? I don't know. You test this, you buy them, you test it and confirm and let me know. Just going back in. So that's all good.